Okay guys, the fun videos just keep on coming. Welcome to today's fun little tutorial where we are going to kind of make a really cute page layout, and you can use what you have or you can get the kit that I will be using today. A little bit more about that later. It's kind of a, what do we want to call it? A recipe for success when you're making a page, what do you want? My brain is going blank. A page layout. Kind of something that you can do to make a really fun and beautiful project, and you can use what I have exactly, or again, you can come up with whatever you want. My main pieces for today that I'm going to be focusing on are two different shaped pockets. So if you have two different shaped pockets that both fit on one page, then this is a great idea for you. And if you do want the kit I am using, it is Minty Lush from our August 2025 kit. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. There is so many fun colors, design elements, and more, plenty to craft and play with. So I hope that you guys check it out. If you do want the kit, make sure to subscribe to get it at the best price, or you can purchase it separately on Etsy or on our site. I'll have everything linked in the description of this video if you're interested, so no worries, you can check it out there. Now let's get into the tutorial. So I created this journal in one of my first videos for this month, and this is my very first project to get put in, and I'm so excited. There's so much potential and so many fun things to do. I have decided that I'm going to make a project on this one. I wanted a page that had a little bit more going on, and that's the one I chose. So we're going to work on this side today. As I mentioned before, you're going to need two different pockets. They can be the same shape if you want. I just think it's fun to mix up size and shape, and even like these ones have butterflies and this one's a little bit more plain. It just makes it fun to craft with. So what you're going to do essentially, and it might sound really simple, but is you're going to kind of find a spot where you like those pages. And it's really cute, just like that. You could glue it, call it good, and put some stuff inside and you're good. But I'm going to go a little bit deeper today. So this is my placement for my pockets, but I want to add a little bit more. I do have this fun journal card that I just want to add for a little bit more dimension. So I'm going to start with that. I have my glue. I have a scrap paper somewhere that I've been making sure not to get glue onto my desktop. So that's what this will be. And I'm just going to glue that paper. If you have any like plain scrapbook paper or a journal card, this one's cool because it kind of has that frame effect. Wow, my glue is going crazy. Let's get over here. I'm just going to set it down, lay it down right there. Yeah, you can see the frame effect is just really fun. And my butterfly is going to go right there, which is super cute. I'm going to start and just glue that down. For some of my finer gluing, I do like to use art glitter glue in this little bottle because it just helps with more precision. I get a lot of questions about this bottle. It does not come in this bottle. I buy these separate. I have them linked in my Amazon storefront if it's something that you're dying to check out, and that's also linked in the description of this video. Everyone has their preferences for glue, and I have been a big fan of art glitter glue. And then for this pocket, I'm just going to glue that one down as well. You can already see it's coming together, and it's just a really fun layout. Like your eyes just are drawn to it, and it's just an interesting page. When in doubt, if you're feeling like your journaling might be a little plain or it's just lacking detail, I just recommend adding layering. Adding layering and adding little pieces. Little pieces are annoying to cut out, but they really do make a big difference in journaling. Okay, so here is our page. Now, that is essentially, hear me out guys, that is essentially the idea of what I wanted to show you guys today. There is more to this video and more to be learned, but how simple and cute is that? You can do this with so many different supplies, whatever that you have, and it just is a fun page. You're going to have pockets and things that you can tuck inside, and it's just great. I am going to be embellishing this. I'm really excited because I have some fun pieces planned. One fun thing about this journal is it is so thick that I will be able to add a lot. So I'm gonna quickly embellish and then we're gonna wrap the video up. I have these really fun tags that I wanted to incorporate that I have made. They're really simple. I just used layering pieces from the kits. And so one is gonna go there. You're gonna see it slowly come to life with more and more. Uh-oh, looks like I glued my pocket shut. Oh, there we go. We're good. One there, and I want the string hanging out a little bit. Add some character. I have a fussy cut that I wanted to put there. Just glue it right down onto the pocket. So to do that, I just go directly to the pocket rather than gluing on the fussy cut. And I kind of just guesstimate where it's going to be. It's not the most solid method, but it works. I also have a little belly band that I wanted to add as a detail onto this pocket. Like I said, the more layering, the better. I'm opening up a new glue stick. This is fun. It just gives it a cool look. I don't know. I have a charm. This is a really cute charm. Can you guys see it? I'm going to just add that right on that belly band. I love when I feel the freedom to add a lot onto a page and I don't have to worry about it like overfilling. So I'm really excited about that. And that's just going to sit there while it dries. I'll check in on it again in a minute. And I also have the cutest kind of faux stamps ever in this collection. I would buy this kit just for these little stamps. They're so cute and have a really cool textured look to them. I'm going to try and incorporate them literally onto almost every page because that's going to be so much fun. And I'm just going to put it right here. Smack dab right there. I also have a little, it's very faint on camera, I think, but it's going to become a very small tuck pocket. So glue only on two sides. Put about right there. Move this here, make sure that's getting glued down. And then finally, one more tag, and this one's a pop of color, which we love. I gotta be careful because this glue is still drying, so I'll just gently tuck it in and kind of get things placed finally where I want them. And of course, there's always more I could add. I love it. I love it. And that is just the simple formula for making a cute page layout. Again, you can do this with whatever supplies you have, and it's just so cute. An explosion of color, really, really simple. Seriously, did not take me any time at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want the same kit that I used, make sure to check out the description of this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We will see you in our next video. Goodbye.